Hi friends, this is Manadip. In this video now we are going to discuss about box model. In HTML we have number of elements and we are going to apply the styles for those elements for better UI. Okay, each and every element has its own box model. Now we will see that one. Here I am creating a heading tag, refresh the web page. Here we have heading. Okay, right click and click on inspect. Here you can see elements, console, sources, network, performance, memory, application security, and these all things we have. In elements, what you can see here, we can see the whole HTML code. Okay, select the H heading tag. On right bottom here, we can see a box, margin, border, padding, and content. The gap outside of the element is margin. It is 21 pixels. It is on top and bottom only. Here we can see the number 21.440. It doesn't have any border, no padding, height and width of the content. Whenever you move the cursor onto the element, automatically it is showing on the web page 3 sorry 735.2 into 37.6. That is the height and width of the content. The pink color one is margin and the blue color one is content. And now we have to see border and padding. I will show you now. For heading tag, I am going to apply the border. Border 1 pixel. 1 pixel is the size of the border. Solid is the type of the border. Color, sorry, red is the color of the border. The border have these all things. Border is a property, H1 is a selector, and 1px, solid, red. These are values for the border. Refresh the web page. Here you can see. If you want to increase the size of the border, you can increase. Instead of 1 pixel, I am going to give 10 pixel. Now the size is going to change. Yes, it's and we are going to see padding. Now I'm going to apply padding for element. Padding is 20 pixels. Inside the element, you can observe the gap between the border and content is padding. Click on the heading tag element. Outside of the border, the space outside of the border is margin. Border is 10 pixels. Inside the border, 20 pixels. The space between the content and border is padding. Here we give 20 pixels. We give 20 pixels padding. That means it is going to apply on all sides. Okay, top, right, bottom, left on four sides. This is box model, margin, border, padding, content. This is box model. Okay, I hope you understand what is box model. If you want to apply more margin, you can apply now. margin, I gave 50 pixels. We will get it on all sides. Hover the cursor onto H1 element. We can see margin is 50 pixels, border 10 pixels, padding 20 pixels, and height and width of the content. This is the content. This whole thing is called box model. I hope you understand what is box model. In next video, we will discuss more about margin, padding, and border. These all things. Thank you.